First, there was nothing.
Then, bang, the Big Bang.
Then the solar system.
The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Formation of a planet.
First, the dust and gas cloud collapses.
When this process occurs, it is called a nebula.
Then a disk forms. The disk forms at 60 AU and its pressure and density becomes larger.
The disk then begins to spin in one direction.
Grains and planetesimals were made. Planetesimals were formed by the grains crashing into them. Planetesimals later on turned into protoplanets. The disk then begins to collect rock-like fragments. Then the rock fragments begin to stick together.
The rocks begin to increase in size.
Then a planet forms. The planet then settles.
The formation of the sun. This is a 10-year process.
First, a cloud of dust and gas collapses.
Like the formation of a planet, this is called a nebula.
During this process, there is a collection of mass and matter.
The collection of mass and matter combines from a supernova explosion.
The core of the sun gets hot and compressed.
The sun then emits UV rays and radiation.
The sun then settles, permitting heat to all of the planets.
How planets in our solar system orbit the sun.
The planets orbit in a complete circle, like cars on a racetrack.
The outer planets orbit around the inner planets.
The inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Inner planets melted from the heat of the sun's fusion in order for them to form in the solar system. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
The halogen cells begin colliding together. As the halogen cells are colliding, it gives a planet momentum to orbit around the sun.
The sun has a gravitational pull, which is another reason why the planets orbit around the sun.
The heavier the object, the larger the gravitational pull is.
The sun has the strongest gravitational pull.
Stars in the universe.
Stars have a very long lifespan, possibly billions of years.
Stars are bright and contain a lot of heat. Half of the stars are in the binary star system. Binary star system is two stars that stay in their rotation around the center of mass.
Believe it or not, Earth is a medium-sized star. Interesting facts.
The sun is the heaviest object in our solar system. The sun is 1,000 times heavier than Jupiter, which is the largest planet in the solar system.
The Earth is 300,000 times lighter than the sun.
An asteroid belt revolves around Jupiter and Mars.
Outer planets have more moons than inner planets.
There are 3 different types of small bodies: asteroids, comets, and meteoroids.
The end.